sometimes you can be running on your own will, thinking you are running the will of God. One of the way we retreat is that we come to do a heart check. You come to check your life, whether it is flowing in the frequency of the ordinances of God as touching your life. You come to check in the hospital of the Spirit. Lord, these things I've been doing, are you actually involved? Because sometimes you can be running on your own will, thinking you are running the will of God. It is only when you retreat you can be able to now see from the eyes of the Spirit whether what you've been doing since is accurate or is not accurate. Because everything we are doing on earth is we are interpreting a radar from the Spirit. And may also bring it to you that everyone is telling a story from the Spirit. And there are two authors that authors every man's script. One is God, the other is the devil. So the devil has a book for you. God also have a book for you.